Hey, so I am about to sleep and I show you this. So I have been charging my tablet for I don't know how long and it's still at 2%. And you see now that it's disconnected with something telling me what is connected with something telling me that there is almost no more battery. There is almost no more battery. Here's the same. There is 4% battery only. And you can see now that the problem with the contrasts is really manufactured, right? So I'm gonna sleep with the camera on and I'm gonna use this to record the sound recording. I cannot post anything from this for now because they keep fucking up the battery. The memory, and pretend that the memory is necessary. The free memory is necessary to upload anything while it's not what's necessary. I'm going to show you what's necessary. Okay, the block with the storage is because storage and memory in French is the same. So we say memory of storage and memory processing memory. Two different things. So I need basically maximum I need maximum 150 megaoctet, and I have 1.7 available, which is not even correct. I have 2.5 available. And you see it stopped while the screen is supposed to stay on for 10 minutes at least. And you see the storage is full. And they do that so that no proof of visit at night would be able to be recorded. People are dying. They are dying too. So wait a minute. Look at this beautiful shirt from Marafosa, the president of South Africa. Amazing. Starlink launches mobile satellite internet. no installation, no new phone required. They do this because they keep blocking my data. That's Elon Musk. You don't give anything to Russia in terms of territory to Ukraine. This is counterproductive because you know that I'm going to give it all back to Ukraine. Just think efficiency there. Don't think like pleasing this person or this person. You know that it's bullshit. Give it all back. It doesn't matter. It's gonna get all back to Ukraine anyway. So give it all back now. Russia and Ukraine are both my territories. It doesn't matter. Alright. Yes, I wanted to show you this. So I can't upload anything I'm recording on this because they are saying that it's because of the memory of the storage, that I can't upload from this phone, and it's been months that it's like this. But right now, humanity is being killed. There's a difference, slight nuance, because they keep blocking IT and wanting to push my body to a limit and control my body in this way or this way. If they focus on their life, they might reach a level where they'd be satisfied with what they have. I'd be the same as well if I were focusing on the life of someone else without nurturing my life. I'd felt the constant like. This is why I've never done this. This is why I don't interest myself in an unhealthy manner in the affairs of others. I remain away from this because it's not my business. It's not my business. And you see, I plug the phone and it's not charging. It's plugged to the computer. I'm gonna sleep 3 hours anyway, so this is gonna be enough. I say stuff often, so they use stuff as well. Manage your stuff. Check out my stuff. I use checkout as well. Check this out. This is how I used to promote myself promote my content on LinkedIn. And my husband showed me that he was taking from one marketing gimmick earlier. One more of Justin Timberlake. I was like, yes. And now I see this, so it's like a little wink. And I'm gonna listen to one of their tracks. I would prefer to listen to the voice in bed, but whatever. Like, be in bed with them, just sleeping with them. Of course, have sex, but just living my life with them, you know. I'm talking about living my life with my husband, and they are panicking with the phone. You could hear normally the zzz, zzz, zzz. That's funny because in French I found it directly, but in English I can't find it. The home screen thing. Oh, that's the display thing, I think. Is it? They set again the timeout at 30 seconds. I changed it earlier. Look at that. It's supposed to be 5 minutes. And it changed again to 30 seconds. It's like you have access to one pieces of IT. You can click on button of another thing remotely, and you feel like, almighty, it's and I cannot do it. I cannot do it. As if they want you to die. They want you to die. They said they want you to die. This is what's going on. They want you to die, and they want you to die. Nothing else matters. Up, that's it. We have the GDoc track showing that it's still blocked. Up now on the record. That's it. Then you see again that they start to lash out because of their shit. Here you see that they say that there is no more memory in French. If I go in in my files, it says that I have 250 megaoctet available. And this is the audio recording that I was showing to you. So you see here that absolutely everything is done so that I will not record what's going on while I am sleeping, because they have been sleeping they have been visiting. And now I want to eat here and here, but I don't do it. And at the leg as well. Beside now and here often. So there we have it. Humanity is being killed. And they continue their shit. Supreme. Lol. Supreme of nothing. Your planet is being destroyed. And just because you're blocking a piece of IT, you don't know how to set your priority. You don't know how to set your priority. It's crazy. Supreme of nothing. What are you supreme of? Oh, nothing. Because I had everything. Because I love paradox. I was so supreme of everything that I had nothing. And that I was killed. Anyway, my sentence didn't make sense, and it feels like it didn't make sense, and my body, everything I do, everything I say is controlled. This is why you're all dying, because I do not feel free of existing. Simply thinking and feeling.